Hey guys, my name is Elijah, and in this tutorial I want to show you how to edit scheduled post on LinkedIn. So first thing you will have to do is to start a post, and if you already did and you scheduled it, then don't worry, you will have to go this way anyway. So click on start a post and then this clock icon which says schedule for later. Now click on view all scheduled posts, and as you can see, here is my scheduled post, number 1. Click on this 3 dots icon next to it, and you can modify the schedule or edit the post. So click on edit post, change it, and then press schedule once you're done. Now as you can see, when I go back, right here, I can see that the post is edited. So thank you for watching. If this video was helpful to you, consider subscribing and liking this video, and I will see you in the next tutorial. Bye bye.